Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds LG TONE Free. So you can use toothbrush. I have cleaning tools, so I'm going to use different type of brushes. And also I will use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so don't worry, there will be no short circuit. Now, you need to apply it to the charging contacts on your earbuds and also at the charging case. And I recommend it to do this the same for the contacts for UV cleaning. Right here you have it. So let's go. And also for the charging contacts, and we have the charging contacts earbuds. Here we have it, so let's go with it. Also, now I am going to use this brush to clean UV nano contacts. And also charging contacts. Then on the earbuds, here we go. And also I'm going to use another type of brush to clean it. Also you can clean a microphone. Let's move to the right earbud. It's the same process. And now charging contacts at the charging case. And now let's remove ear tips, and also we need to clean grills on your earbuds. Here we go. And now make it slightly. And the right one. Now we can attach it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!